Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Encyo Com. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Wondershare Flimora 9 video editing software and to activate it for lifetime. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. To download it, you may download it from its official website, and I will give the link in the description box below. After downloading, open the application and go to help option and search for activate Flimora 9. Just click it. You can see it is unactivated, and then close the application. And now go to the taskbar. Scroll down. You can see Wondershare Studio 32-bit. Right click and do end task and close the task manager. Now follow these steps. Open this PC, select and open local disk C. Go to program files 86 and find for common files. Open it and you can find Wondershare. Open it and again open. Here you can find WSHELPER and WSHELPER.exe temp. So select these two files and just do delete. From here you have to copy one of them. So for example, I am copying the first one. You can copy others. And now open the app once again and now go to the help option and search for activate Flimora. Leave this part, go to our section. Here you find if you have a license code, please click here to activate Flimora. You have to click here and you have to paste. So click on activate. You can see Wondershare Flimora has been registered, and for confirmation go to help option once again, search for activate Flimora. You can see your license has been activated successfully.